This is my Old Town Solo Discovery 119 Sportsman. Bought this a year ago. I did a unboxing video of it when I received it, and I mainly use it going up and down these small rivers here in western North Carolina. And I just want to do a video to show how it's held up for the last year. And it's been through some rough waters, rolled over, drug across rocks and trees. It's done good. I'm a big guy. I'm about 6'1", 280. Holds me up really good. I don't have any issues. Seat's still holding up great. I added some non-slip stickers there. Easier to get up and down. I also went and added some bungees. Put on these eyes here. A way to keep my stuff under there. If I flip over, which I do every once in a while, nothing falls out. Added some rope and handles. This foam here, it's not doing too well. Also took silicone and covered all the screws because some of them were rusting. I added another rail back here, and also some more eyelets and bungee cord here and another handle. Other than that, I haven't done much to it. See if I can get it flipped over. I'll show you the bottom. All right. I ordered some keel tape. Can't remember from where. Didn't stay on very good. And I saw in the reviews that it wouldn't. But they gave me my money back. And I didn't get it on very straight, but I went back with some shoe goop, filled it all in. Ended up adding some more Jegs non-skid rubber tape here on the ends. You can see the bottom scratched up. Nothing major. Added more Jegs tape here where the keel protector didn't reach. But otherwise, I'm happy with it. It's done good. It's very light. It's fast. It's maneuverable. So yeah, I recommend Old Town Solo Discovery 119.